You might be wondering, is that practical? Does that even make sense? It's ridiculous. He's berating me. She's berating me. And all I do is relax and release. That's just ridiculous. It's just absolutely ridiculous. And you'd be right to ask that question. I don't blame you. Most people would say, you gotta respond. You gotta show who's boss. You gotta deal with it. You gotta tackle it. Gotta tackle it head on. The thing is, though, that when you reach this pinnacle, you deal with things. It's not like you don't deal with situations. Quite the contrary. You deal with situations, but not from a place of lack. Not from a place of depravity. Not from a place of low energy. You're not responding to situations from your shallower self. You're responding to situations from your higher self. You're much more equipped to deal with a challenge. You're much more equipped. You're much better fit to deal with that person who's berating you, who's scolding you. And when you're in traffic and everyone's beeping in front of you and you're not beeping because you've reached this pinnacle, you've done a cost-benefit analysis and you realize it doesn't make any sense, they get frustrated, there's no gain at all, it's paradise. Of course, if you're in a situation where you have to deal with a problem, deal with it. But don't deal with it from your shallow self, from your lower self. If you have to call the pizza shop and ask them where your pizza is, of course you should call them. If your appointment was delayed for 3 weeks for no reason, call them up and ask them what happened. Be calm and collected, gentle, and they'll find an answer for you. And you're much better off for it. They'll be much quicker to try and find a response if you deal with a situation and you contact them from a calm place of being. You're an asset to have around. So don't be mistaken into believing that this is about surrender. Not at all. This is about improving your life. It's about enhancing your life. Take it on board. These are great ideas. It's Jessica Maiden reminding you once again, if you join the force, if you come along with us in our amazing journey with Jessica Maiden, subscribe, like this video, share with your amazing, beautiful friends. You'll help many more people, including yourself, ascend, transcend, and go to higher places. I love you. Keep on shining your beautiful light. Keep on shining your beautiful light. You're beautiful. And you are an asset to have around. You are light unto everybody. Keep on shining your light. I love you.